In recent years, the word debt has developed something of a bad name. But the truth is that not all debt is bad. In fact, some types of debt can do you a power of good. Going further than that, good debt is one of the best ways to start leveraging the power of your money and to create passive income streams that help you develop real wealth. Without debt, very few people would own a house or be able to use their high earnings to start building their empire. Here we take a look at the steps you can take so that your debt serves you well rather than endangering your financial future. Using the power of good debt. There are a number of steps you can take to get your personal finances in a position to start using good debt to create wealth. Here are 7 of the best. 1. Debt consolidation. Servicing multiple debts is probably costing you way more than you need to be paying in interest and fees. It can often benefit you, for example, to increase your mortgage and use the extra funds to pay off other inefficient bad debt like credit card balances and personal loans. Your home loan repayments may stay the same, but you will be using its lower interest rate to pay off higher interest debt. 2. Making your savings work harder. Many people like to keep money in a cash savings bank account as emergency funds or a buffer, which makes them feel more secure. The fact is that this money could be more wisely kept in an offset account linked to your mortgage. You will earn a higher after-tax return, as well as reducing the term of your home loan, all without locking up the funds. 3. Better cash flow management. Managing cash flow is key to minimizing bad debt. The main idea is to reduce interest payments. This can be done by increasing frequency of payment on a mortgage, increasing the amount paid, paying your entire salary into an offset account, or by using an interest-free period on a credit card to pay for daily expenses, freeing up other funds for paying off your home loan without paying any interest. 4. Borrowing to create wealth. Once you've minimized the bad debt, it's time to start creating some good debt. This is called gearing. Providing you invest wisely and your assets increase in value, gearing helps you create wealth as the income and capital growth from the investment pays off the debt and exceeds the costs of servicing that debt. Property or shares are often a good strategy here. You can create the extra funds by borrowing against equity in your home, taking out a margin loan, or by investing in a managed share fund. 5. Using lump sums wisely. Occasionally, you may receive a large lump sum of money from bonuses, inheritance, etc. Try to use this to pay off bad debt or perhaps consider making extra contributions into superannuation. 6. Debt recycling. Debt recycling is where, as you pay off your home loan, you redraw the equity you have built up to invest in shares or other property. Again, the bad debt becomes good debt that can earn you an income and can be used to pay back the loan, as well as providing tax breaks. Any excess income can also be fed back into your home loan to pay that off quicker and make further interest savings. 7. Invest in a geared managed share fund. A managed share fund is internally geared so that you don't have to take out an investment loan yourself, yet you can still benefit from the gearing effect of borrowing to invest. Here, the fund manager borrows at wholesale rates on behalf of investors to invest in international or local share markets. With all of the above steps, it's important to get quality advice and to understand the risks and the potential returns. This list could be much longer, but I included what I personally think are the most important ones. If you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of our content, then hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it so the next video will appear right on your homepage. Thanks for watching, and until next time.